Good morning, champions. It's Dr. Mordecai, and it is time for our Good Morning Champions message. Listen, the year 2024 is going to be one of our best years yet because every week we're going to walk this journey together. Now, remember, the month of August, we're unpacking the overarching theme of time management. This week, here's what I want you to reflect on. You actually do have enough time in a day. It's about how you spend your time that day. Now, have you ever found yourself saying, man, I really wish that there was more time in a day? I have said it, but I have learned to stop saying that. Why? Because granted, yes, it's just a saying, it's just a phrase, but you also want to be very intentional with how you're feeding your mind with what comes out of your mouth. With that said, it's easy to say, man, I wish I had enough time. But the real question is did you properly manage your time for that day? Everybody gets 24 hours in a day, but it's how you're being intentional with the actions that you're taking, what you're getting involved in, how you're spending your time that allows you to maximize your time. Folks ask me sometimes and they says, Mordecai, how is it that you're doing X, Y, and Z? Because I have learned, and I still got a long way to go, but I figured out that there is what some people use as time to do X. I have chosen to do Y with that time. I'm intentional with how I spend that time. So yes, there is opportunities to continue to observe others, model yourself after others. Take a look, ask someone, how is it that you're structuring your day to be able to achieve A, B, C? And then be honest with how you are spending the time during your day and begin to take the best of what you can learn from others on how to maximize your time, because truly there is enough time in a day. Champions, as always, head over to itsdrmordecai.com for more content information. I'll see you next week. Take care.